Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Damn, PJ! Alright, y'all boys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna title this vid yet, you feel me? But we cutting up in a hoodless cat again. I'm gonna walk y'all through the lineup real quick. We go C6 Vet Don, headers tune, I don't know what else he got done. We go STOLN cat, you feel me? Intake mid pipes and no tune. We go S650 Chris. I'm not sure what his at. I'm not sure. We'll put whatever his new ad is on the screen, but this thing clean, boy. He just popped out today with this. We go ATSV Josh, you feel me? Fastest ATSV in North Carolina. We go Baby ZO1Ps, and we go TJ Stay 1K. Yeah, man, finna be a little, you feel me, a little dog session, you feel me? I just filled up on gas, and my tires are at decent tread. So all right, y'all boys, let me go ahead and lock in.
My bro not bad, it hurt my soul, feel like they were two in my heart. When my money got low, I had cut my hole, and I told I ain't feeling the spark. Nigga ass gon' learn, better act like he know T-Key might pop out the dark. Hit dumb ass bitch when he fought with a shrimp when she coulda got d.
I'm not gonna lie, I've had plenty of people ask me, STOLN, how are you affording these gas prices? Gas ain't cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all about a way you can make some extra money off from your phone that is 100% legit. A lot of people feel like this is too good to be true, so let me break it down for you so you can understand how it works and why they can pay you for just playing games on your phone. Free Cash works with app games to help them find new users like you. These apps and games are willing to pay for new users because a lot of the users actually end up liking the game and end up making the apps money once they play the games for a while. Free Cash helps put some of that money back in your pocket as they share some of what they get paid back to you. I'm telling y'all, it's real simple. If you already like playing games on your phone, you might as well go ahead and sign up. And the sign up process is simple. You can make a completely free account with nothing but an email and password. It's not a way to get rich quick. You can make $10 to $20 playing games that you already like, or try some new ones. This is 2026. This is one of the best ways to make some side cash for real. And if you're really dedicated on it, you can make over $200 on some. But like I said, it's completely free to try. Scan the QR code or click the first link in the description and check it out to make some extra cash. Pay for some of this gas. Locked in, boy. Hey, I done got that manji stuff down now, bro. Thanks to Forza. I was watching Fast Life Nick vid. He was like, Forza taught him how to manji. Bro, I got on that shit, started practicing, bro. This thing, it done got way easier, bro, than before. All this damn traffic, though. Meet start at 8 o'clock. We gonna get there at 8:36. Probably a little bit faster, you feel me, how these niggas drive, allegedly. Bro, they gotta catch up. Bro, I done watched my boy Chris stay down with the Q50, bro, and now he done popped out, you feel me? S650, bro, I'm proud of that boy. Bro, any of y'all watching this, y'all can do the same thing, bro. Y'all just put y'all mind to it. Traffic. might pitch when my hood is on. Damn, TJ. Who was he feeling like? Overly locked in. Starting to cramp how locked I am. TJ dogging. This is what I love to see. Hey, bro, this footage ain't different to be uncut, bro. It's like, it's so much going on, bro. A nigga just overly locked. I ain't seen Chris and Josh all day, bro. Where they been at? All drive, bro. They all the way in the back. see Chris behind me. There we go. My boy Josh. S650 Chris. Bro, these folks gotta get out of the way, bro. Chris, we're stuck. Almost at the meet. Oh dang, it is a long line of people with their hazards on. What's going on? Are they going to the meet or are they going to a funeral? Who knows? Bruh, Josh smiling be killing me, bruh. I need an alignment bad though. But the alignment shop said their machine is down. So they made me wait. They told me I gotta wait till like next week. Till it's back up. Like, gang, come on now. But the meat is almost here. It's on the right. Somewhere. These folks in the way, boy.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you